Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ashburn, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we can move your belongings locally within the state or across state lines. The federal municipal officials in charge of the relocation process have a fantastic working relationship with us. Because we care about our customers and their belongings, we have insurance policies in place. This insurance coverage covers obligations during the relocation. Our moving team, we have the most qualified and trusted movers and drivers who will transform your items safely. Our vehicles are large and built to accommodate and transport belongings over a long distance. Because of all of our services are affordable, you won't have to worry about us defrauding you. Long-distance relocations are substantially more costly than local relocations. Our rates are affordable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our licensed local movers will provide you with the best affordable services available. We have also worked in congested areas before, so you won't have to worry about any problems during delivery for your products to you. You can even plan out your relocation process with the help of our local movers. You may acquire feedback on our work from previous current clients and discover more about our services and whether or not they were satisfied with them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ashburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.